everyone, I am Manav. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rainbow cloud. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Let's get started to make it. First, I'll show you what all things we need. We need a glue, pencils and marker, strips of color papers, purple, blue, green and orange, red, pink and dark pink. And we'll be needing a scissors and a A4 size piece of paper. Now I will take our pencils and we'll draw a big cloud. And it's very easy to draw. I'll show you. We'll draw one city. It should be big, but you don't need to do till here. Then we'll draw two C's here and here. You won't do the same way like this. We'll do it like this. You can turn your paper and do. And when that's done, we'll do here also the same thing. And when that's done, we'll do another C here. And we'll do the same thing here and here. We had done, we'll do same way here. And when that's done, we'll cut it whole out. Okay, now first we'll take again our pencil and we'll draw one eye here. We'll draw one circle and the same side we'll draw it here. Another circle. Then here we'll draw one big C facing here. So we have one smiley shape. It can be smaller than these. Then we are going to do one sleeping line here and here. So we'll be having a smiley shape. Then we'll outline everything with a marker. Let's outline. We'll do one circle, another circle, and we'll color that in. Then we'll do a smiley. And we'll close our marker. Now we'll take the strips of paper and a glue and we'll turn this paper and we will glue all of these in that. First we'll start with this color. We're sticking this here. All the others we'll do here till it ends. We take our glue, we'll only paste at the top. we paste it, we'll stick that top into your cloud. Should be here. We'll place it here. The same way we'll do all of them in place. Do this and we'll do one sleeping line over there. So it'll be easy for us to do. And by leaving space to space, we'll do. Now the blue here. Then the green here. Then the orange here. Some small gaps. And it's okay if some can be joined together. We'll again do the same thing. And 2 will be enough for these gaps. And one last will come here. So now when you turn your paper, you'll have a beautiful rainbow cloud. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to do the likings and subscribe. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new ideas. Stay safe. Bye-bye.